welcome back to Anomalous. Today doing Cup of Elephant. I wonder how this is gonna go. Just a good old cup of some elephant. It's thick and earthy, filling my mouth with a taste that's both heavy and ancient, like swallowing a memory too vast to hold. My body feels dense, limbs slow and clumsy, weighed down by something I can't see. I thought I was small, but now I feel like I'm expanding, filling spaces I wasn't meant to occupy. Oh, I see. I see why. You're literally an elephant now. Dumbo. Wait. Oh, that's nice. Look at this area. Watch this. Oh, that's nice. That's actually really cool. I like that. So yeah, that's the Cup of Elephant. Enjoy this episode. Please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.